welcome back again to the channel, and welcome back to Bumsy Sport. And I hope that you are you want to say hey guys. And I hope you guys, I'm coming baby, let me just finish the intro of this vlog. You guys know that Bumsy is a mom vlogger, so my children are just all around me, especially Kaito. Kaito say, I want to say hey guys. You guys, yesterday I went for Made for More. See you guys, I have not where is your hair clip? Go wear your hair clip. Go wear your hair clip. You guys, I'm heading to church and I'm just trying to, I'm not really late, but I need to leave the house right now. I was saying that I hope you guys are enjoying being here, especially for I realized that I have over 100 new subscribers. You guys welcome, and I hope you're enjoying it here. But let me just be heading to church. Let me know, are you going to church, like physical church, or you're worshiping online, or you're a couch potato this Sunday, or you know you're a Muslim and you've done your prayers already. Just let me know how you guys are spending your Sunday, and let me just head to church. I'll see you guys much later.
A few moments later,
I am back from church. My children are already sleeping. I could not jump straight into lunch or anything. I just told everybody eat small chops first and sleep. But I'm up. I'm just trying to make fried rice for the house. This is just about past 1. Went for second service, so I'm trying to make lunch. I'm trying to make lunch for the house. You guys, if you don't use this lasso chicken, please try and be using it in your stew, in your steaming, in your fried rice, in your jollof rice. It's the truth. There's lasso beef, there's lasso chicken. I know people will say, I don't believe in spices, I don't like spices. Oh, the chemicals in spices is so much, it can cost you this and this and this much later. Just try this one. Try this one. I'm sure that the people that are introduced to Wunda, that I usually use for jollof rice and all, they have not regretted it. But either way, the chicken is on fire, and I'm tired. I'm tired though. Someone come and take over this kitchen today. But anyways, let's go. Okay.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If you're not dead, then he call tomatoes. No go bamboo. As that day comes, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. Bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it.
They allow you to go.
In a private plane, I love.
See our African queen, the best cook in the world. I'm the best cook.
Baby money baby money baby money I don't really think I wanna be with you. Waiting go do my steez if I cry for you. Composure won't finish me, that's why I disagree. If I buy you, go leave me. Don't wanna start. Just wanna talk, if you reach, make we fuck, shut it up. I be the Virgo, you be Pisces, and I go tear you into pieces, yeah. Oh baby, make you know the lie. Make it tell your friends, say you don't feel this girl, no need to waste time. Say now me go follow to the day we die. And meanwhile, I just wanna make your face smile. It's not a lie, you set my soul on fire. Oh, baby, what if it got me? Yeah. Say, baby, what if it? Oh, hey, what if it?
Yeah, I swear, chocolate, I wanna fight. They say I love the feet to make a man fight. But tell you get out up, who better than bring a mouse, my girl, like a terror.
So it's a competition. Who they follow you do competition? My followers no be 1 million, but my fan base shake it. I will.
Shawty, you make me emotional. Yeah, busting my medulla. I be chatting on Instagram, IG. Let me say you know me.
One Ferrari, they play. Till I go King, they play. Maybach, they play. Chop out the Rolls Royce, they play. Soon I go pull up in a new Bugatti, they play.
Hey guys, you guys, I don't know why this wig is flapping to this side. I don't know what is happening, but I'm still going to wear it like that because we are back to very hot weather here in this Nigeria, especially in this Lagos. But anyways, today is Uzo's birthday and I am heading to her house. I'm back from work. I had to just take out my jacket and quickly rush into the kitchen, make salad for her because she said she wanted salad. Picked up Kaito from school. In fact, we are just in a hurry. I'm waiting for my girl to get ready. Let's just hit the road. Today is her birthday and I'm just so grateful for Uzo.
I will go first.
We are going to Auntie Uzo's house. Stop. You don't know. We are going to Auntie Uzo's house. Come on, give me. Look at them. Hello guys, come and say hello guys. Hello guys. Oh, you guys, let me just quickly go. I bought eggs. I just want to just peel it up. I bought eggs. Let me just peel it up and put it in the one side is like this. Let me just boil eggs and put it in the salad. I'll talk to you pretty soon. Yes, you need to fashion. I go make you do that. Say you get it deeper. Wait. Which kind of busy your collar? I need to see your collar. Oh, Sabio. You guys, it's not easy to even remember to pick up camera to video anything. I've been in Uzo's house since. That's the birthday girl. Hi. You guys, this birthday was such a calm birthday. Was it? It was not. Oh, hey. It was supposed to be actually. It was supposed to be a calm birthday, but this house was filled up with a lot of children and adults. But I'm so tired. Honestly, I'm so tired. You guys. Oh, see small chops. Lots of small chops.
I'm trying to pack for. What's it called?
Oh, please.
Chicken is already going off. Oh. It's true. Let me even check your own self. Okay. Where's that book? It's warm it. It will get. No, warm it now. Now your own. What if warm it? It goes spoil. Okay. Yeah, now.
I better get the vest. Purr, girl, purr. Sweet 25. Woo!
25. Yay! I should open for you. Okay.
Is the bubbles inside Kaito's own party pack? Kaito came back from school with party pack. Kaima will not allow everybody rest.
There's no bubbles now. Take. No. You don't want biscuits. Sweets. You don't want sweets.
Our bubble. Woo! It's Kaito's bubbles.
I thought the sweet there.
Hey, Kaito. Kaito does not want to share yet now.
It's Kaito's turn.
Come on, take juice. Come on, take juice.
If I let her blow small.
What did you do? The more you
You are happy now. Don't close. I don't even know who told me to rub face cream. Woo! You guys. I don't know who told me to rub face cream. The sun that is coming out of this window is just on my face. I was quick. Wow! Look at Kaito's eraser in his party pack. Woo! Yeah. I gotta take off your uniform. Woo! You guys, I'm sweating so much. I'm in the kitchen. I'm just, what do you call it? Closed off my laptop. I'll get back to work. I'm working from home. I would, what do you call it? I want to make afang soup because I thought it was going to be ready before Kaito gets back from school, but I got into a meeting and it just took a lot of time. But anyways, guys, let me round off this food. Kaima was crying. Kaito came back from school with party pack, and the party pack had bubbles, and she loves bubbles. Hey, she loves bubbles. So she was really crying. Look at her trying to figure out. Look at her trying to figure out with Kaito's bubbles. Jesus Christ. Wow! Oh my God! Yes, I know Finn. Finn is another smart girl in their class. Yes, Finn is so smart. I've met Finn's mother before. Wow! Kaito was showing me his hands, but he said that it's what they call it, Kem that did it to him.
Oh my goodness.